What do you got?
So I'm trying to collect fertile eggs, and I don't want to use them to breed with, so he's out here.
Hey.
And the old male goose
What do you got?
died this spring, and that was his mate.
Yeah.
He was 21.
Oh my goodness.
Ain't it?
Ah.
Yeah, he did good. Oh, a free ranger, and it's a slower growing chicken. You can't see them that well, but they're the reddish colored ones in there. All my meat chickens are like little hens I've got. I'll just go by the going rate again. Dave and I might eat.
What do you want?
Cook a whole chicken. Like,
What do you want?
yeah, it was this morning. I saw it.